Everyone, with Miss Uni again. And I get a help from Kitty. This is my Kitty. Do you still remember her? Okay, so Kitty and I will teach you about parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Now, what is parallel lines? Parallel lines are two lines that have the same distance from each other and never meet. So, is this parallel lines? Yes, why? Because these two lines have the same distance from here to here and from here to here as well. So this is parallel lines. Don't forget that if you draw a line here, you make the line longer, it will still have the same distance, and so these two lines will never meet. Do you understand? How about this one? Is this parallel lines? Yes. But miss, this line is a bit to the left. Yes, it's still parallel lines. Why? Because if you make the line longer, the distance will be the same. From here to here, from here to here, the distance will be the same. And so these two lines will never meet. Now how about these lines? Are these lines called parallel lines? Yes. Again, when you have to see these two lines, you have to see the distance. Do they have the same distance? So when you make it longer, will they have the same distance? Okay, so this is parallel lines. How about this? Are these lines parallel lines? Take a look. This distance from this line to this line and this distance from this line to this line, are they the same? No. So these lines are not parallel lines. If you make it longer, they will eventually meet at a point. Like this. So these two lines are not parallel lines. How about this one? Are these parallel lines? No, they are not parallel lines because the distance are not the same. How about these lines? No, they are not parallel lines because the distance are not the same. This is smaller, this is bigger. Do you understand? So again, parallel lines are two lines that have the same distance from each other and will never meet. How about perpendicular? What is perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are two lines which meet at a right angle or 90 degrees. So both of the lines meet each other at a right angle. This is the example. So the bottom line or the horizontal line meet with the vertical lines and they make 90 degree or a right angle over here. Like this. So these two lines are perpendicular lines. How about this one? Are they perpendicular lines? Do they make 90 degree? Miss Uni have this kind of ruler. It's called set square. The shape is like a triangle. Set square has 90 degree on its corner over here. So I'm going to use this ruler to find out whether the angle is 90 degree or not. Now take a look. Remember that this ruler has 90 degree corner. So these two lines meet each other and it makes 90 degree over here. So they are perpendicular lines. How about these two lines? Are they perpendicular lines? Let's check with the set square. Oh yes, it's exactly 90 degree. So these two lines are perpendicular lines. How about these two lines? This one and this one. Are they perpendicular lines? Let's check. Oh no, it's bigger than 90 degree. So this is not a perpendicular lines. How about these two lines? Are they perpendicular lines? No, they are not because they are not 90 degree. They don't meet at the right angle. So, perpendicular lines are two lines which meet at a right angle or 90 degrees. Do you understand? Next is this symbol, the red colored ones. These symbols, the two lines like this, is called is parallel to. So the symbol of parallel line. You read this symbol as is parallel to. Again, is parallel to. So if you have these two lines, line AB and line CD, we know that line AB is parallel to line CD. Or we can write like this. Line AB is parallel to line CD. Do you understand? Or you can write down AB is parallel to CD. Again, this symbol you read it as is parallel to. So AB is parallel to CD. Do you understand? Again, this symbol is called parallel lines. You read it as is parallel to. Line AB is parallel to line CD, or AB is parallel to CD. Now this is the next symbol. This symbol shows perpendicular lines. You read it as is perpendicular to. I repeat, is perpendicular to. So if you have these two lines, lines AC and lines BD, we know that line AC is perpendicular to line BD. Again, line AC is perpendicular to line BD, or AC is perpendicular to BD. Okay, so these symbols, you read it as is perpendicular to. So AC is perpendicular to BD. Do you understand? Let's take a look at this shape. This shape consists of 4 lines. Lines AB, lines BD, DC, and CA. How many parallel lines can you find? Yes, 2 parallel lines. 2 pair of parallel lines. The first one is line AB is parallel to line CD. So I'm going to write down here line AB, or AB is parallel to CD. Like this. So AB is parallel to CD. How about the other parallel lines? Do you see it? Previously, it was line AB parallel to line CD. Now, line AC over here parallel to line BD. So we can write AC is parallel to BD. AC is parallel to BD. How about perpendicular lines? Do you see it? How many perpendicular lines do you see? Yes. Let's take a look at the first perpendicular line. Take a look. We have line AB. Line AB is perpendicular to line AC because they make 90 degrees. So we can write AB is perpendicular to CA. Or take a look, AB is perpendicular to CA. You can write AB or BA. You can write CA or AC. Both of them are the same. So line AB is perpendicular to line CA. Or line BA is perpendicular to AC. Do you understand? Next, Miss Uni make it already like this. BD here is perpendicular to CD. BD is perpendicular to CD, or DB is perpendicular to DC. They are the same. So again, this symbol, you read it as is parallel to, And this symbol, you read it as is perpendicular to. How about this one? Can you see parallel lines? Can you see perpendicular lines? Yes. Let's take a look at line AB. AB is parallel to, let's take a look. AB is parallel to, yes, AB is parallel to CD. Do you see that the distance are the same? So we can write line AB is parallel to line CD, or AB is parallel to CD. How about this one? GH is parallel to what line? Let's take a look. GH is parallel to, is it parallel to EF? No, take a look at distance. They are not the same. How about ID? Are they the same? Yes. So GH is parallel to ID. So we can write it over here. GH is parallel to ID. Like this. Now how about this one? EF is perpendicular to, let's take a look. EF is perpendicular to, oh, this line EF meet at two lines, line CD and lines AB. So you can write line EF is perpendicular to line CD, or line EF is perpendicular to line AB. So you can write line EF is perpendicular to line CD, or line EF is perpendicular to line AB. Now the last question. Line AB is perpendicular to which line? Remember before line AB, it's perpendicular to line EF. So we can write line EF over here. Can we write line AB is perpendicular to line GH? No, because this is not 90 degree. Can we write line AB is perpendicular to line ID? No, because this is still not 90 degree. So which one is 90 degree? Is this one. So line AB is perpendicular to line EF. Like this. Do you understand? Okay, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.